We are facing a really big crisis.
I have been under a state stay-at-home order for the past month.
We enter today in our 7th week of lockdown.
I share the sentiments of fear and anxiety amongst us.
We are not allowed to go outside.
Everything is closed because of the pandemic.
In Senegal, you can still go out provided you respect the curfew hours between 8 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Best part of working from home is I can stay with my cat all day, so she's not lonely.
To all Greenpeace donors and supporters, thank you
for supporting us.
I feel very lucky knowing that our Greenpeace supporters are still with us.
From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank our donors, our supporters.
We are still together. We are still part of a community.
우리는 건강하게 일상으로 복귀할 날이 머지 않았다고 믿습니다.
हमारी सहानुभूति उन सभी के साथ है जो इस मुश्किल से जूझ रहे हैं.
Necesitamos poner a nuestras familias y nuestras comunidades primero, cuidar a los enfermos y a los que trabajan todos los días para mantenernos seguros y saludables, como los médicos, enfermeras, servidores públicos, conserjes y comerciantes.
Le pouvoir des citoyens, la compassion et l'esprit communautaire sont les clés pour non seulement contenir le coronavirus, mais aussi faire face à l'urgence climatique qui nécessite un leadership futur.
Grazie per il tuo supporto a Greenpeace. Ci fate esistere.
Terima kasih kepada supporter dan donor yang telah mendukung kami di dalam situasi yang sulit.